Today we're turning this into this.
Our first recipe is our cheesy hash brown potato casserole. It's a classic here in Utah, and it's also known as funeral potatoes. So first thing we're gonna do, grease our 9x13 pan, and we're gonna add half of this bag of hash brown potatoes.
Okay.
Now I bought the shredded, and it calls for 32 ounce, but
sometimes you get a bag of 30.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna buy 2 bags to do that, so.
This has been sitting out for a minute.
Awesome.
So, okay, we'll just let that sit for a second.
Okay.
In this bowl, we need to add both cans of cream and chicken soup.
Okay. Oh yeah.
1/3 cup of onions, diced up. 2 cups of sour cream. And then to this, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper.
I don't make this very often, but when I go to Mom's house, whenever we have Sunday dinner these days, it's on the table and I love it.
That's good.
Okay.
So now you're gonna just put half of it over the potatoes, and I just kind of do little dollops all over.
Okay.
Because when you try to just
Do it.
pop it on and then spread it,
doesn't spread.
your potatoes go with you.
Okay.
So try to just do little spoonfuls all
I
over.
will dollop.
So you can see how when you
Yeah,
spread
it
it,
does pull
it
up a little.
picks it up. So yeah, the other thing. And next we have 2 cups of cheese. So we're gonna divide this. So we're just gonna add 1 cup on top of this soup mixture. Okay, so next we're gonna repeat the layers.
Oh, okay, easy
So
peasy.
now-
Oh, there's a giant chunk. I might have to, we gotta break these up a little.
No.
Feeling good about it. I think the one time I did make this, I don't know if I did the layers. I think I just like,
Serious?
1, 2, 3, okay. Then I kind of mixed it all together, did the cheese, and
guess you
on
could.
my way.
You can see how full the pan gets. It almost gets, and we're not done yet.
That cheese is up.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So what we've done here, we had a half a cup of butter that we melted in the microwave. And then we had 2 cups of crushed Ritz crackers. You could also use crushed cornflakes. We've done both.
Oh, okay.
I like
better.
the buttery Ritz
I do
crackers.
too, because they're already
It's so
buttery.
much better.
Yes.
You just want to get all the Ritz crackers moistened.
Nice.
And just kind of sprinkle it on so that you can kind of control it better.
I like it.
Hands just work better
They do.
than a spoon. Okay, we've got all the Ritz crackers spread on there.
Okay.
And we're going to bake this at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Covered for the first 25 minutes.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then about the last 10 minutes of cooking time, I'll remove the foil.
Okay. So let's set it for 25, then we'll remove the foil.
Our funeral potatoes are done cooking, so let's taste them. They smell wonderful.
They smell so good.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Very good. I knew these were already a favorite. 5 out of 5 for me.
5 for me.
All right. They're so good. Okay, the next recipe is our twice baked sweet potatoes. Now I know that the recipe is potatoes, but I love sweet potatoes just as much as I love regular ones. So we're gonna make this really easy for ourselves. So make sure that you scrub and wash your sweet potatoes. We have 2 here, so this will serve about 4 people. Then you're gonna get a paper towel, get it really wet, wring out all the water. Then we're just gonna roll up our sweet potato in our paper towel. We're gonna microwave this for about 7 to 9 minutes. Usually this one's a little bit big, so it'll take about 9 minutes just directly in my microwave. So while we're waiting for the sweet potato to cook, we're gonna make everything that goes inside of it for the twice baked. So we're gonna start with a half cup of sour cream. And I believe this is 2 tablespoons of butter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're just gonna dump that in. That's nice and melted.
A 1/4 cup of milk.
Perfect.
So this is about 3 to 4 strips of bacon cooked and crumbled. So I'm
Okay.
gonna just maybe 1.
And this one I believe is salt and pepper and dried chives.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Perfect.
Yeah.
I think it's half the cheese that we're gonna throw in here.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. And we'll just kind of mix this and just wait for the rest of the sweet potatoes to finish cooking.
Then we're gonna hollow out the sweet potato and
Yep.
add that to this mixture, the flesh of the sweet potato.
nice and cooked.
Such an easy way to cook here.
Right? That one's a little cooler. We cooked that one first. Perfect. Toasty. I'm gonna slowly start taking out some of the insides here, putting it in. I'm gonna try and get as close to the skin as possible, but it is a little toasty. And it's okay to leave a little bit of skin on there, or to leave a little bit of the flesh on the skin. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have a little...
All right, I'm gonna start mashing. Is that all right? Now, you can also use these with beaters, beat it all up, but I like it kind of chunky. Okay. Oh, it smells good, guys. I'm excited for this.
I think I can start though. I'm going to push down because it's that full.
All right, we are ready to cook it. We're going 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Mostly we just want to melt the cheese and make sure everything's all heated through. Ooh, yes. Nice. All right, now we have some yummy toppings. We have some crumbled bacon and a little bit of chive. So I'm gonna go with the bacon.
These are fresh chives.
They are fresh.
They are so good.
I love fresh chives. Okay, ready to taste it?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, is it too hot?
not bad. That is good. It's like a loaded sweet potato. That's really good. Rating system.
5.
5 for me. Love potatoes. The next potato recipe we're making is Instant Pot bacon and ranch potatoes. This is the perfect side dish because it's one that you kind of just throw in and you don't really have to think about it much after that. So let's get going.
Okay.
Right, we're gonna start in the Instant Pot because of course, it's my favorite. Okay, we're gonna add 2 pounds of red potatoes. I like to chop these into like small bite-sized pieces because it just makes it easier for everyone. On top of that, we're gonna add our bacon, and then we also have a lot of seasoning. So this is like parsley, salt and pepper, garlic powder. I'll put a link down below in the description for you. Now, the original recipe says that you're supposed to push saute and cook your bacon first, but to be honest, like our bacon is cooked, all ready to go. We're just gonna cook it all together and it will still taste delicious. Then our last thing is we're gonna add about a 1/3 cup to a 1/2 cup of water. You just need liquid for your Instant Pot in order to pressurize. Okay, gonna put the lid on. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna go to pressure cook and we wanna cook it for 7 minutes. That's all that cut potatoes have to cook for. 7 minutes. Okay, then we just push start on this Instant Pot. A lot of Instant Pots, you don't have to push start. You can just set the timer and walk away. All right, once it's all done cooking, you go ahead and release the pressure. So you push the button down and all the steam will come out. We already released it, so we're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and open the lid. Okay, bacon looks good, potatoes look good, everything looks really good. Okay, potatoes are all done. It looks delicious, so now we just need a 1/3 cup of ranch. I'll throw it all in, nice. While I'm mixing this, you can just throw in, what, a cup of cheese, is that what it is?
Cheddar cheese.
Perfect. Then we're just going to kind of let this sit in here. It's on warm still, so that cheese will melt and it will just all combine, all the flavors together. Looks good. Looks really good. Yes. Gonna taste this from here because, you know, the pot's even more fun. Get your bacon.
How hot is it?
Get your... It's not too bad. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna give it 4.5 out of 5.
I'm a 5.
You're a 5, okay. I like it. I like it a lot.
Our last recipe is chicken cordon bleu potatoes.
Yes. They look good. I mean, I love chicken cordon bleu, but potatoes mixed in. Okay, we're gonna start at the stove top. We have a medium saucepan. We're gonna go medium-high heat right now. We have a 1/4 cup of butter that we're just gonna put in here. We're gonna wait until that's all the way melted. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of our flour. Then you're just gonna whisk this until everything is incorporated and nice and smooth. Okay, this is looking nice and smooth. So now we're gonna add 2 cups of milk into it. And we're just gonna mix this in until everything is nice and smooth and creamy again. Now the secret of this, you wanna keep on mixing because you don't want anything burned on the bottom of your pan. Trust me, I've made that mistake before, so. Nice and smooth, all ready to go. Now we're gonna add just all of our seasonings. I'll put a link down below for you for all of those. Nice. Let's see. that.
Okay, we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of the sauce, the Bleu, and just pour it on the bottom of our pan. It calls for a 9x9 pan, lightly greased. This is just basically so it doesn't burn to the bottom or stick. So now we're gonna use half of the potatoes and spread them in the bottom of the pan on top of this layer. This is kind of hardy though, because you still got your cheese, your ham, your chicken. So it's half of the ham. So, and then we have a cup of chicken.
Try and go around your ham.
Yeah. There's no bald spots.
No one likes bald spots.
And then this is 2 cups of cheese.
Okay.
So of mozzarella cheese, we're just gonna use 1 cup.
Guys, chicken cordon bleu stuff.
It's gonna be cheesy.
That was like one of my favorite meals as a child, so.
Okay, so we already used like a 1/4 of a cup for the bottom of the pan. So now we're just gonna use half of what's remaining.
Okay, that makes sense.
So that's easy, just use. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle this over.
Okay, okay.
Now repeat.
Perfect,
so
okay.
Your pretty potatoes again. This is just, we just bought this diced ham, but if you had like leftover ham from a Sunday dinner or something, that would be so tasty.
Right.
So we're gonna drizzle
cheese. Just the rest of it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully we saved enough so it's cheesy.
Right. I feel like it's good.
Okay, we're gonna bake this at 375 for 25 minutes.
Oh, yeah. So good. Yes. All right, chicken cordon bleu potatoes done. Ready for your taste test?
Yes.
I love how we're just tasting out of the pan these days because it just makes it easy, right? It's
just dig in
that way. 1, 2, 3. Those are good potatoes. That could be like your main dish, you know, because it has all your meat and stuff
like
in it too.
It's just a casserole.
I agree. All right, I'm a 5 on this one.
Okay.
I like it. All right, you guys, if you want more side dish ideas, we have 10 of the best side dishes just right up there. Thanks for cooking with us. We'll see you next time.